Hi guys, have you ever wanted to improve your flirting? Some people struggle with flirting and find they don't know where to begin. But there are few flirting characteristics that can improve your chances of effectively flirting with someone. Here are 7 characteristics to keep in mind the next time you flirt with your crush. Number 1. Nonverbal behavior. Something to remember the next time you flirt, not only what you say to your crush but your behavior as well. A good amount of eye contact, not too intensely but still letting them know that you're listening by looking at them in the eyes from time to time. Also remember to genuinely smile when you can. Everyone loves a sweet smile. Good hygiene and scent are always great as well. It's not just what you tell your crush about yourself verbally but non-verbally as well. Number 2. Intelligence. When flirting, you may want to show that you're intelligent as well by saying a witty joke or having a natural conversation about topics that show you are educated in a variety of things. Number 3. A gentle approach. When flirting, it's always important to be respectful as well as having fun with it. People want to see you are mature as much as you are funny and flirty. If they are not comfortable, you want me think better by continuing. Always be respectful and mature in your flirting attempts. Number 4. Cheerfulness. When someone who is respectful and kind but someone who is cheerful as well. This is another characteristic that is said to underline effective flirting or not. You want a partner that makes you happy. If your flirting has a bit of cheerfulness in it, then you are on the right track. Number 5. Romantic intention. Of course, when you're flirting, it's always a great idea to show you are romantic. You can a bit of fun flirting, but throughout you may want to show how romantic you can be, whether it's a sweet look in the eyes that you give or a bit of gentleness in your touch. A hint of romance is often essential for flirting. Number 6. Courage and determination. When flirting, it can be nerve-wracking to approach someone you like and flirt with them. Where do you begin? Confidence is a key if you're going to flirt well. You need not only courage but determination. So that flirty joke you have been playing out in your head to tell them, flirt courageously and confidently. Number 7. Good looks. We don't know what qualities others find attractive about others, but we can always try to be our best selves to create a first attraction. When you approach who you are about, you flirt with good looks can always help. So if you can keep up good hygiene and wear your favorite outfit to express your best self. So guys, which of these floating characteristics will you keep in mind next time you approach your crush? We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button and share it with your friends.